Take care of yourself.
You too.
Wait, this one. I want to
My ride is up the road.
But I'm so jealous of you. No, I can't help it. I'm so jealous of you. Taking that place in his heart. It should be me, but it's not. Wish I could care.
Patsy, where you doing this one?
I realized from the other day, stuff come up on my shop.
At the first, me say come around them side here.
But there come look some rubbings, you know, they look color fade away. Oh yeah. Who are on the shop here?
Me.
Weird. I'm not brother and sister. I'm not twin. Come I'm not gonna say I run shop, my love. I see you over.
Patsy, you know come a road. I from your shop to your yard.
But me I do up on street, sir, you know, some of my lifestyle and fun no green my house. You know, yes. Wow. Welcome, miss.
Nothing.
Come my mouth lights. I mean, done you. Anyways, now have no little Robins around here.
When I say bleaching cream around here.
Then I also much based on your advice to miss. So how you going to say come here come other illegal substances, miss?
Patsy, she really no mean nothing. Alright? Where you go?
So you're my peers. Oh, you know what she mean?
Miss Patsy, I never mean it no way. It's just that when I say bleaching cream around here.
Hello, try to take out the myself fight, man. I'm not old girl. Anyways, tell me how you feel around community shop and you don't have no little rubbings around here. No girl, you have to get with the time. It can't work. And that's how we do it. Kareem, come here.
Yes, Patsy.
You're there here. You're just there here.
Yeah, this morning I do it.
Who do it?
Phone.
She? It don't look good. Me no like this. No sir, look here. I'll part them all lane. No sir.
You put your name in the head?
Yeah, and your boy, you know say you have proper style, you have certain levels with you, and me alone can do that, sir. Listen, Kareem, let me tell you something. You see, as a personal hairdresser, you can't make every and everybody go in your ear. Because some of them are crossing, sir.
Patsy, you feel easy, you know. Everywhere you go with your body.
Don't tell me if it's easy. Oh, I broke your broke. You know the money? No, listen. You can't trust me, you know. I'm going to take a trust from you because you're good customers. Hey, you're good customers. Just for yourself.
Patsy, you make the beef feel that way.
Anyways, I go back on my part. Look at me, let's try stock up on the bleaching cream. Then, I know me suppose that thing.
Why not?
I'm here just now. I saw she going. I can't appear in the mind. She really love me, you know. Alright?
I saw she this there. But she bright to you. Look how your ear part neat. Why part lean?
She always stay there. It's
She
the
not
reason
going
why.
back here.
Alright.
Got some neat.